Have you picked the water can and the food flask where he left them during the arrest? Okay. Now you have to take them to Dora at the hospital with the cover story I briefed you earlier before now. You know what to do. Alright then. Bye.
Please, 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 don't shoot me, please. Please, please. I'm sorry, please, please. I should go down. Okay, sorry, please, please, forgive me, please. I'm sorry, please, please. Have mercy, please, please.
Hello, handsome.
Madam Egodi. Officer Obi. What is going on here?
Welcome to our bottom match tonight.
So this is about your bestial madness? Why did you waste your strength in this police officer's restaurant when you have everything you need to blackmail me into compliance as you always do?
Well, I wanted a change of style, and don't waste your time asking me why.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Very well then. Go ahead and do your worst, because I am not ready for this madness tonight. Do your worst, shoot me. I said shoot me. Shoot!
Oh,
shoot me.
Oh, what? I need to go here. With my phone, I'm off. Here is better. Look at you. You've already worsened your sorry situation by this silly art you just put up here. And one more art of defiance from you. I will use what I have against you to make sure I destroy you for real. You see this mock arrest this night will turn out to be a real arrest for rape and armed robbery.
Madam Egodi, I am not a criminal. And I did not rape you. I did not. I
have clear evidence that you did. Do you have any evidence that you didn't? Do you?
Madam Egodi, I have none. And I also do not have slavish police officers like you have. But I have God. I have God. I serve a living God. And for that alone, this cruel game that you started will end with your disgrace. This cruel game that you started with an innocent soul like me. I did nothing to you. You will end in disgrace. My God will disgrace you. I am very sure of it. My God will disgrace you. Your end is near. Madam Egodi.
Are you done talking nonsense? If you are, then let's get started. For the reason why you were brought here. Or Are you damning the consequences and opting out our deal? Is a question.
What you sow is what you reap. No matter how the rain falls.
I opted into this madness because of my sick mother. And for her sake, I'm still in.
Smart boy. Smart dude. Officer? Come. This. Your fee for tonight's operation. You can leave. Tell my men to stand by. My friend, what are you waiting for? Go bed, let's get this started in a girigari. Something I know you enjoy doing. Come on, set me on fire.
Why? Egodi, why? 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 God. Today got me on heaven. Today got me on heaven. I'm waiting on heaven. God, you are there. You are there. You are there.
What is it?
What happened? You are crying. What is the problem? Did the doctor say that the surgery is now useless for me? Was that the reason you gave my food and water to the nurse last night to bring to me and told her to tell me that you went to the church to hold a prayer for me? Chukwebuka, answer me. Am I going to die? Did the doctor say I am going to die? Chukwebuka, Chukwebuka, Chukwebuka. Am I going to die?
Chief, after hearing from my mother at the hospital, my first instinct was to confront the nurse and beat her to truth about who burgled my house and destroy the check that you gave to me from her. But on a second thought, I realized that she is a member of Egodi's gang, and as such, any isolated action against her will compound my woes rather than help. Chief, please, I want you to know that I'm not here for another check, because my mother still has about 2 weeks to be okay without the surgery. I am here, Chief, because I need your help. I really need your help, Chief. With the extent that Egodi has gone about this, my mother and I are in danger. We are not safe, Chief. I want you to help me and stop her, please. I don't care if she sends me to jail with the evidence she has against me. But I want this madness to stop. Please. My innocent mother deserves to live. She deserves no less, Chief. Help me and stop her. Help me and stop her, please. Chineye, Amarachi, Lolo, I want you people to help me. Please. Please help me and talk to Madam Egodi to stop disturbing our lives. Please. Chief, please help me. I want her to stop. I want her to stop, please.
It's okay. Ebuka, please rise. Now sit here. Sit. You see, Ebuka, you did the right thing by not confronting the nurse or the Egodi lady. And by choosing to come here to seek for help. I don't need any begging from you to do something like this. No, I don't need it.
Chief, all I want her to stop. Please, help me and call her. Help me and call her. Help me and tell her to stop. She should stop. I don't want my mother to die. I don't want that innocent woman to die. She deserves to live.
Hello. Yes, Barrister Ogoji. There's something I'll need your urgent legal advice on. Yes, immediately. I'm at home.
Gentlemen, there's a new development as we projected last night when we planned to force Ebuka and brought him here to sleep in my house so that you guys can boggle the house, search for the check and destroy it. Guess what? This morning, he went to the chief's house for another check.
Great.
Yes, he didn't just meet him any other place. He met him right there in his hometown, his family house in Acha community. Unknown to him, someone I paid followed him up to there and took notice of the house address, which I will forward to you. Now listen very carefully. The man's name is Chief Ekekwe. He lives in the compound with his wife and 2 daughters. You will go there tonight, pose as armed robbers, as we've planned it, and make sure that no soul in that family survives after your visit. Your fee for this operation is 1 million naira each. Yes. I will transfer 500,000 naira to your accounts as soon as we are done talking. The remaining 500,000 will be transferred to your account when you have successfully completed the hit. Am I understood?
Consider the whole family dead, madam.
Yes, you're right. They signed their death warrant when they get crashed into my space by involving themselves with Ebuka, my sex toy. Or do I call him my sex slave?
How dare you? Very good. How dare you? How dare you send these hungry slaves, these thieves in police uniform, to break into my home and destroy the check Chief Ekekwe gave to me for my sick mother? How dare you?
Ebuka, why are you arriving here so late? I had expected you here earlier before now or at the police station. Why did it take you so long to phantom out that we were behind it? Are you that daft? Are you?
Maybe he was too shocked to think straight and piece it together after seeing the township back at home.
And when he did realize it was part of his fake arrest stunt last night, he became too confused to make up his mind to react till now.
Oh, sugar boy. And now that you have pieced it together, how may we help you? I mean, why are you here?
How dare you? How dare you?
Shut up! Any wrong move will strangle you here now.
Tell him, officer. Tell the fool. Need I remind you that the sperm I extracted from my vagina the very first day these gentlemen officers and I blackmailed you into sleeping with me in this house is still were preserved in a clinic at Okiwe. In addition, to escape serving a long term of prison, you better not dare with me. You better don't dare me, because I can easily, with the evidence, arrest you for rape and armed robbery. And you know what that means? It is as easy as ABC, boy. Don't you dare me.
And if I dare you, what will happen?
Well, I will tell those officers here to kill you and dispose your fucking body in my cesspit. Now get out. Don't get me started. On the count of 10, I want you out of this house or I will order them to kill you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Officer!
Police. Your area is surrounded by my men. If you do any funny move here, I'll finish you.
You're shocked, right? You're shocked. I told you. Madam Egolbe, you are in a bigger mess as we speak. Because whatever nonsense you were discussing with these dirty men has been on record to the Force headquarters.
Like,
Stop it. I placed a call to the DPO of Force headquarters. He is aware, and I have been here recording whatever nonsense you were discussing with them. So we have all the evidence to nail you down. I told you, right? Who is the winner now?
now you tell me, which of the police division did you come here from?
Another question from you, I will answer you with a bullet in your head.
Did you hear that? I told you. I told you I will have the last laugh, right? It's time to nail you. It's time to bring you down. The DPO is aware of everything that you guys were discussing. Let's get out of here. Officer, pull them out. Yeah, bring her out. Move, boy, son. Move. Out. See this one. Hold on. This one. All right, out. Come.
And the devil will pass up that to a beg up in me.
Officer, deal with her well. It's in your life, right? Huh? I told you. Out!
Oh, Ebuka. If only you knew the whole story. You won't be laughing like a drunken fool.
Madam Egode, there is no other side to the story other than the fact that you are in chains of justice and that I'm exonerated and free like a bear.
Oh, says cool, dude.
Ebuka.
Well, need I remind you that the food can and the water you left behind where you were arrested yesterday was picked by this nurse and was taken to Dora at the hospital. It was laced with high potent poison that should have started working on her body right about now. So if only you can close your lousy mouth and rush to the hospital, I believe you can watch your so-called Dora dying.
Tell me this is not true, right?
Of course it is.
No! No!
I won! Take me. I won! Oh my word! Come on, bring it on! Bring it on! I won the game! I'm not afraid. I'm not. I'm not.
Excuse me, please, doctor. Excuse me. No, doctor. I don't want my mother to die. Doctor, excuse me. I don't want her to die. Mother, what is going on? What is going on? Doctor, please. Hold on. Mother, I don't want. Mother, no. Don't do this, mother. Don't do this. Doctor, what is going on? What is going on? Mother, please don't die. Mother, please, vomit it. Please don't die. Don't die. Mother, don't do this to me. What is going on? Doctor, talk to me. Doctor, can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Doctor, can you talk to me? Can you please talk to me? Talk to me. Yes, what is going on?
You're a man, right?
Yes.
You should be able to contain whatever happens.
Yes.
She's dead.
Why, Mother? Why? Why didn't you stop them? Why didn't you stop them? Why didn't you stop them, Mother? Why? She vowed to do everything possible to help me locate your people. Why didn't you stop them? Why did you allow them take her away from me? She treated me so well. She was my happiness. Why, Mother? You're my biological mother. Why didn't you stop them from killing her? Why? Why?
I don't get it. Ebuka. Do you mean Auntie Dora is not your biological mother?
Yes. She's not my biological mother, she's my adopted mother. But I found out late. My adopted mother was already in the hospital, sick and down. The picture is the only evidence I have. My adopted mother said that she could not even trace her. She does not even know her whereabouts or where she came from.
Barrister Goji, please come. You need to see this. What? Ifunaya? Yes.
Yes, Ifunaya. Do you know her?
Goodness.
My adopted mother said her name is Ifunaya. Even Madam Ego, they confirmed it. Do you know her, please?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's my son. Yes. Ebuka. Hey. Oh my God. My goodness. My goodness. You are my son. Yes. He's my son. Yes. Hey. Ebuka. He's my son. He's my son. Yes. No. He's my son. You're my son. Hey. Hey. Ifunaya. Oh. Ifunaya, you lived to deliver our baby. Yes. He's my son.
Father?
He's my son. Yes.
You're my father.
He's my son.
You're my father.
He's my son.
Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á sẹ́mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́ ìjì gbẹlẹgbẹlẹ á dé mi lórí mi o. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ, ẹ ti jayé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Of darkness. business and power. Like you instructed. I have eaten and drank nothing but my feces and urine for 14 days and 14 nights. I have also slaughtered 7 vultures and 7 tortoises and bathed you with their combined blood. Like you requested. You who is the custodian of Igubolimori. The ultimate power to harm and to control. I stand before you right now, fully prepared to receive that charm, that great charm. Give me Igubolimori and I will serve you and your interests forever, all the days of my life. Give me Igubolimori. Give me Igubolimori. Give me Igubolimori. I for me Igubolimori. You me eh? I for me Igubolimori. I for me Igubolimori. Oh! Hey! Hey! Igubolimori. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ mo tọ́pẹ́ dá. Hey! Ẹ ṣeun. Bàbá mi àríbámbà. Ẹlẹ́bàá lẹ́kọ̀ọ́rí ọ̀dọ́. Ẹ pàdé oníjà ní kòròfo. Ẹnẹmọ ọlọ́mọ ní pẹ̀tiyẹ. Ẹlẹ́mi nílé ẹ̀fẹ̀jẹ̀wẹ̀. Ọ̀nílé kọ̀kùnkọ̀kùn lọ́rùn. Kìnìún àríjà ejò. Kìnìún àríjà ejò. Ọmọ adélé tẹ́jítẹ́jí. Hey! Bá sọ mi ìṣó. Mo júbà yín o. Ìjọba lèmi rèé. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Hey! Mo dúpẹ́ o, ẹ ṣeun. Mo dúpẹ́ dá o. Ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ. Ẹ ti ìdáyé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ro. Ìmọ̀lẹ́yìn náà sọ.
Oh, such a favorite. My trip to Abuja was awesome. I know. I have filed all the documents ready for implementation. And of course, like I said, my trip to Abuja was awesome. I experienced a lot. But that's by the way. Yes, what do you intend to do with that property at Muhammad Street?
Yeah, I intend to build an administrative block for my companies, my group of companies.
I thought as much. I saw it coming there. Barrister. I know, when we were back in the school, I used to call you barrister. But see how life turns around. I'm a barrister.
And I know you're going for the top.
Oh! You can say that again. We will celebrate soon.
Yes.
I know you're going to do something wonderful there.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Yes. Oh yes, that's like I advised you to do that.
Darling.
Oh.
Bon appétit.
Merci. C'est pas un problème, merci beaucoup. What is it? Sorry.
As usual.
As usual.
Who is that?
Okuchi.
My Djibouti beast elder brother.
Hey, àbúrò mi. Pẹ̀lẹ́ àbúrò. O ṣeun. Ilé ńkọ́. Ilé ńkọ́. Àwọn ìwé ilé yìí. Kí ni orúkọ yìí o? Barrister gorgeous.
You're welcome home.
Àwẹ̀.
You're welcome home.
Mo ni.
Sit.
Oh.
Amarachi! Please come out, Amarachi!
All of you come, my elder brother is back. Ah! It's good to see you.
Emini, I want you. Hey! I want you. Hey! I want to come. Ah! A woman here. A woman here. A woman atata. Ọmọ dúdú. Ah! Boni. Ṣé dáadáa ni? Nle. Yí. Ah! Bó ṣe wà látijọ́ ẹni. Hey! Pẹ̀lẹ́ ọmọ. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Welcome.
And Tawalele.
This is my daughter, Chineye.
Kini?
Chineye.
Your daughter?
Yes.
Me Maleyi. I don't know him.
Meet your uncle. My brother from Jebode.
Good afternoon.
Ọmọ mi nle. Ọmọ ẹ. Ọmọ bíbí inú ẹ. Wọ́n afọ́gi. Ha! Rí pé babies di ladies báyìí. Babies are becoming ladies.
Where is Amarachi, your sister?
Ah,
She's inside.
hello me. Amarachi. That one here. Who's that person?
Call your bookworm sister, please.
Okay,
please.
Hey, the babies, the ladies.
You're welcome, sir.
Àbúrò mi.
Yes, sir.
Yé. Ọlọ́run mi o. Ẹ wọlé. Ẹ wo tẹlifíṣàn. Èyí ló wá rí pẹlẹbẹ báyìí. Ó rí pẹlẹbẹ báyìí. Bíntín báyìí. Irú èyí tí mo mọ̀ ní Níjẹ̀bú-Òde, èyí ńlá àwọn tó máa ń tóbi báyìí mo mọ̀. That big one, that's the one I know. Èwo leléyìí tó rí pẹlẹbẹ báyìí. Hey, good my brother. Your house is beautiful. Ilé ẹ̀ dáa. Very beautiful, and your family is more than exceptional. With a pretty wife like the one you have, and absolutely gorgeous and pretty daughters, and the kind of food I had a while ago to complement it day after day. Abrumi, along the girl, God has blessed you. He has done great for you. See that food? The one I had a while ago. All my life, I've never had such food. What we eat in the Jebode is inyo, epa, amola. And it's amola dudu, not even fufu, not the white one, the black amola. Iṣu àti ewédú ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀fà. I have never eaten this kind of food before all my life.
Oh, Oguchi, my brother, you will never change.
Ha, Senjike.
Always with the right words to praise and admire.
I cannot change. Senjike. You know, Mile Senji, I cannot change at all. The words are coming naturally in this case. With the kind of food that your family give to me to eat, and the kind of treatment after the reception, the warm reception I got from them. It is enough to make any person a professional praise singer as well as an orator. Have you got here?
The truth is this. I run my family in a particular way.
Mulibeno, I can see.
My wife and my daughters see you as no different from me.
God will bless them.
But I'm glad that you like the food.
Like it. Like it, look, more love for it.
All right, let us toast. Love. Long life.
And you.
And more progress for the family.
Very strong. We don't have this type in the body.
Don't worry, I have enough. You will enjoy it. Yes, I understand your argument. When you say you want to move over to our parents' end,
yes,
to stay there, between now and next week when you return to Ijebode.
Benny.
But what I don't get is why you are in a hurry to do that. You have a beautiful and well-furnished place here. Why don't you relax while we get that place cleaned up? I know you are the first son, and it is your house. You are entitled to stay there. But just be patient. Let's clean it up so that you can move.
Bro, I understand you. But it is only somebody that can see the innermost part of my heart that can understand how much I have missed our parents' house. And how guilty I feel staying away from this village for so long a time. Please, allow me to start making up for my feelings by moving into our parents' house now. Please. I don't even mind if I have to sleep on a heap of dust this night. I don't mind at all. Meanwhile, Ushi, thank you for renovating the house for me. God will bless you. God will not spoil your own. He will do you right too.
You're welcome. But like I was saying, my son, Henry, will be returning from America tomorrow. Where he went to acquire a higher degree.
Oh, the graduation? Hey, the graduation? Hey, yeah, you know that one is good.
And my wife and daughters will be going to Enugu to pick him up from the airport.
Oh, Uyemi, I understand.
I would like to discuss something very serious with you when I come back. You see, I would like to set up a viable business for you.
Business?
Yes. I don't mind where you do it, Ijebode or anywhere of your choice.
I want to stay in Ijebode.
But I just want a situation where you can remarry and have children of your own. You just make up your mind what you want, where you want it done, and it is done.
Hey, approve me. Approve me. Let me just give you answer straight now. I don't want to keep it waiting. About the location, I want to go back to Ijebode. That is where people have known me and I have known people. So I want to go back to Ijebode.
It's okay.
Yes. I've gotten friends there. About the business, I want to start selling emufufun.
What?
Emufufun, yeah, palm wine. Ati agbolotin, pẹ̀lú paraga, ati bushmeat, enogbe. Ma come back gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó ń tà gan o. He sells very well.
My plan was to set up a multi-million naira supermarket.
Ojo, mi fẹ́ o. Má tiẹ̀ lọ bẹ̀. Mi fẹ́ rárá. Kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Mi mọ́ta mi lè dá ṣe. Ẹ fi ẹ lẹ̀. Wo jẹ́ sọ fún yín. Let me tell you something. Ṣé ẹ rí ibi tí mò ń gbé lọ́hùn? Where I live at Ijebode. Àwọn ọmọ adókó jẹun. Wọ́n wà lẹ́bàá gbẹ̀yẹn. They are there. All this haloti. I don't want to
prostitute.
They stay close to my house. And when they finish doing their nonsense up and down, they will just come to the shop. So it says so. A lot of people doing it are making a hell of money. It's a good business. So.
The litigation the spirit of your late parents brought against you before the Grand Masters of the realm has been decided. Your parents were quite angry and demanded your instant death. It took a passionate plea from me to the Grand Masters to make them order your parents to drop that demand and come up with another. What they come up with was that both of us be stripped of the power to harm your brother and all the members of his family in any way. Again, I pleaded against it because what you went through
to possess me. Being the most trusted element, the Grandmasters ruled in the middle. By so doing, they give 2 options to choose from. You are to choose between harming your brother and his wife only, or harming only their children. You cannot harm both sides. The Grandmasters of the realm said emphatic no to that.
No. That is not acceptable to me at all. Eh? Igoboli, how? How can the Grandmasters of the realm give such verdict? Eh? You know, I did all I did to possess you just for one reason, and that is to eliminate Ekegwe and his wife so that their wealth can be mine. How can that be possible if I cannot eliminate them?
Make your choice now.
Kilewi, I should make my choice. Okay. But ilé yóò dá tó, ilé yóò tẹ́ lọ́rùn o. Suwala, I choose Ekekwe and his wife. I choose them so that by the time they are out of the way, I can now devise a means of eliminating his children and still achieve my aim.
You can only manipulate them after that. Any attempt to harm them physically or spiritually will backfire on you with serious consequences. Not even me or any power in this universe can save you from the impending calamity.
I miss you, Henry. I miss you so much. See, let me tell you something. When I see you at the airport tomorrow, I am going to give you an exceptional hug that the papers are going to have our pictures on their pages the next day.
Yes, both of us. See, Amarachi and I will so do it that you, mom or dad will have to call the airport police to help you.
Right.
See, there won't be any need for that, you girls. See, upon seeing you guys tomorrow, I'm going to carry you both on my shoulder. Like, I'll hook you here, I'll hook you up from the arrival lounge to the car park. See, you won't believe how much I've been going to gym for you girls. See, let me tell you. I seen this? Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, enough said. The fact is that we all miss you indeed. Let's give you the chance to tidy up your packing and proceed to the airport so that you don't miss your flight.
Yes, sir. You need it, son. You know mommy loves you, right?
Wow, mommy, I love you. Daddy, I love you. Babes, I love you girls. I can't wait to see you.
We love you so much.
I love you. See you soon.
I love you more. Nobody loves you like I do.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Amarachi. Hope the drugs you took is effective. How many times have you visited the toilet since your dad and I left the house? Once? Are you sure? That's a good sign. It's been 2 hours we left the house. It's okay, my angel. You're going to be okay, alright? Daddy and mommy love you very much. You know that. Yes, I know you do. Okay, please, can you pass the phone to your sister? Hello, mommy's angel. How strong is Amarachi looking? Okay, thank God. Thank God. Has your uncle come to have his afternoon meal? Oh, he hasn't. That means he's still doing his house cleanup at his end. Oh, when you wait for half an hour and he doesn't come, please pass a call to him. Find out what he wants to eat. Prepare it and take it to your grandpa's end. Okay? He mustn't be left hungry. Please. I trust you, my baby. I know you'll do it for me. Yes, we are already in Enugu. We're just entering Enugu. We're still at the outskirts of Enugu. Yes. Okay, baby. Love you, my darling. Please do take care, okay? Bye.
Now tell me, is Amarachi okay?
Yes, she's getting better.
I feel for her. I feel for all of them. After all the plans they have made for their reunion, sudden stomach upset ruined everything for her and for them.
Honestly.
If only you people knew that I struck Amarachi with running stomach in order to prevent the girls from joining you in the car to Enugu. If only you people knew that I did it so that I can do this. Ekekwe and Lovina, goodbye. Hello, Kudano. Hello, Paraji. Igogo Rimori. Ẹ̀yin àjẹ́ ilé, àjẹ́ òde, àjẹ́ Ìjẹ̀bú ilé, àti àjẹ́ Ìjẹ̀bú òde, àti Ìjẹ̀bú igbó. Mo kí gbogbo yín lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin. Ẹ kú àjò mi, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín.
They are dead.
Thank you very much. Oh, mo dúpẹ́. Thank you. Thank you. Igbogbo Rimori. Mo júbà yín. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ̀yin àjẹ́ ilé àti àjẹ́ òde. Lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin pátápátá mo júbà yín gbogbo. Ẹ ṣeun. Jọ, one more job. One more job is about Henry. As soon as Henry gets to the arrival lounge at the airport in Enugu, strike him with serious urge to urinate. And as soon as he enters the restroom, grab and hold him hostage in the trunk of a tree in the jungle. Hold him there for the rest of his life. Put a call through to his sisters. Tell them that you are a hired assassin paid by a lady he wronged when he was still in Nigeria. Let them hear gunshots and tell them that you just killed Henry and that they should not bother looking for his corpse because they will not find it. Ẹ ṣeun. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà. Pẹ̀pẹ̀ bí àṣà, aṣọ́dẹ bí ológbò. Ewúrẹ́ ńlá ti ń yan lọ́nẹ́nu. Egungun ńlá ti ń bọ ológbò lẹ́rù. Mo kí yín, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ ǹlẹ́, mo tún kí yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ mo tọ́pẹ́ dá. Igbogbo Rimori, Igbogbo Rimori, Igbogbo Rimori. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà mo kí yín. Ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi rèé, ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi rèé, ìkúnlẹ̀ mi rèé. Ẹ ṣeun. It's alright. Anyone them? Ah!
Hold yourself. Huh?
I can't endure this. I can't endure it.
Please hold on. Let me take this call. Hello? Yeah. Yes, I am Barrister Ugoji. Yes, officer. I am his friend and his lawyer. Yes, I'm actually in his house. As a matter of fact, we've been trying to reach him and his wife for about 2 hours now without success.
My dad.
Yes, if you're with him, let me speak with him.
Yes. What are they saying?
What? Officer?
Hello?
This is...
Please, can I talk to him? He's my father. Yes.
Yes,
I'm the daughter.
Wait.
I want to talk to Daddy.
Wait, let me confirm. What? My goodness.
What did you say?
Great loss. So, see me. Talk to me. What is it?
Oh, it's okay.
What is it? What is it? Marachi!
What is it?
Talk to me! Marachi, what is it? What is it?
Just say that the chief...
Marachi, what is it? Talk to me! Dad, what?
What a great
Mom.
loss.
What
a great loss.
Marachi, what did you say?
What is it?
No.
What is it? What happened?
What?
The police.
Mama is gone.
You must say something about you.
Hey!
It's alright.
Bàbá wa rí bámbà wọlé baálé gorí ọ̀dọ́ pàdó níjà ní korofo onamọlọmọ ní pẹtiyẹ ọlọmi nílé ọ̀fẹ́ jẹwẹ onílé kọgun lọ́rùn kìnìún kúkúrú jà ejò ọmọ adélé tèjì mọ sọ mi nso ẹ mọ sọ mi nso èèyà alágbára ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà bàbá mi àríbámbà mo kí yín mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Thank you for the progress made so far. After the death of Ekekwe and his wife, I did a lot of things in my village that puts the fear of me in everybody's life. With the power of Uju Okoli, I invoked bees to sting and scatter Umuada when they were having confrontation with Chinenye, few days after the burial of my brother and his wife. With that, the fear of me became the beginning of wisdom in Acha land. I will keep being grateful. It is true that the girls got their own bits of the stink from the bees, but I later reconciled with them and made them believe and trust me one more time. Now, time to go full-blown with the implementation of why I embarked on this war against my own. Bàbá mi àríbámbà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o mo kí yín ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà mo ti bá gbé yẹn mọ́ ń jẹ́ mi jẹ́ kójú tì mí jẹ́ kójú tì mí jẹ́ kọ́ta yọ̀ mí mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín jẹ́ kọ́ta fi mi rẹ́rìn. Ta ló jọ yín kò sẹ́ni bọ́dì tó dàbí yín. Chinenye, from this moment, you become my partner in crime. You become my partner in every atrocity I commit in my family. You have no right to say no. object to it or whatever I do to Amarachi, you must always say yes. You must always talk in affirmative. No matter how much she cries, no matter how much she displays anguish and agony, it will never touch you. I put stone heart in you. Let your heart be hardened more than rock against Amarachi. Yes, I lock you up in the prison of my mind forever. Baba mi ari bamba, ole ba ale gori odo pado nija ni korofo, onamolomo ni petiye, olomi nile o fejewe, onile kogun lorun o. Kiniyan akuku rija ejo ọmọ adele teji. Mo so mi so igbogbo ori mo ri o. Hey, igbogbo ori mo ri. Alágbára. Bàbá mi ari baba. Mo sọ pé ẹlẹ́bàá lẹ́gọ̀rí ọ̀dọ́ ẹ tún pàdé ìjà ní Ìkòròfo. Ẹ tún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ní pẹ́tiyẹ. Ẹ mà ṣeun o. Ẹ ṣeun. Ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi rèé. Mo wà nílẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, mo dúpẹ́ mo tọ́pẹ́ dá. Ẹ ṣeun.
What's going on here? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. Boni.
Sorry, Uncle, I should have greeted you. I'm just surprised. You know you left the village 2 days ago and you told Chineye and I that you...
Kilo day. Killing go jam question to me. What's all this jam question you're asking me? Let us talk when we get inside. For now, I need the help of the two of you to carry my luggage into my room.
Cherigodo, wait. Sorry, I need to understand what is going on. Did I hear you say your room?